Hi, I'm Patrick and I'm the co-founder of AdBaker. We are a marketing agency based in Cologne specializing in Facebook and Instagram performance advertising. Our team of media buyers handles small and big budgets for startups, mid-sized corporations and international companies like Porsche or Lacoste, helping them to generate more revenue from social media. We've just moved into our new 450 square meter new office and are working day and night to deploy the latest and most effective strategies for our clients' businesses. Not only that, since 2018 we have been the fastest growing Facebook agency in all German-speaking countries and handle millions of ad spend every year. Apart from that, we are a very close partner of Facebook, and this is something we are very proud of. We sat down and did a series of Facebook advertising courses helping you to be more successful in your business. The trainings range from generating leads and growing your community to deploying elaborate retargeting campaigns. No bullshit, but straight to the point courses that are based on our expertise and passion for Facebook advertising. And so far, almost 200,000 students on Udemy alone have joined our trainings, which have helped them take their business to the next level. Just check out the reviews to learn more. So if you want to generate more leads for your business, get more sales, or simply get more traffic to your website, then check out our wide portfolio of courses.